In this video, we will understand how to use the chart replay feature on TopStockResearch and how it can help improve your trading skills. What is chart replay? Chart replay is a feature that allows you to go back to a past date and replay the market candle by candle. Why is chart replay important? Practice trading without risking real money, test your strategies on past data, improve entry and exit timing, build confidence and discipline. How to access chart replay in TSR? Now let's take a look at the chart replay feature in TSR. First, go to the left-hand side and click on the technical chart option. Once you click on it, the chart will open on your screen. Now, let's add a simple condition. We'll use EMA 50 so that we can understand both a basic strategy and how the chart replay works. Now, let's move to the chart replay feature. Click on the replay icon on the chart. After that, click on select period. Here, you will see two options. The first one is candle on chart. With this option, you can select any candle directly from the chart and start the replay from that point. For example, when the price crosses above the EMA, you can select that candle and observe what happens next. Once you select it, the chart will start moving forward, just like a live market. Now, let's look at the second option, last N ticks. Here, you can choose how many candles you want to replay. For example, if you want to replay the last 50 candles, just enter the value and click on apply. The replay will start accordingly. This way, you can observe price movements step by step and test your strategy in a practical way. It's a great way to practice without any risk. During replay mode, you can pause the chart, move forward step by step, adjust the replay speed. Who should use chart replay? Beginners learning technical analysis, intraday traders, swing traders, traders testing new strategies. In any case of queries, please click on request for demo link. We hope you found this session useful, and if so, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. We will bring another interesting video very soon. Till then, goodbye.